Hello guys, today we are going to learn what support and resistance lines are, how to draw them and how to use them in order to elevate your trading. Okay, so this is my trading view charts. I've shown you how to get to this chart and how to draw a few things in my previous videos. Today our focus is support and resistance lines. So for this one, what you need to do is go to this place and select the second item, click this arrow and star this one, the horizontal line, okay, because this is the one that when you star it, it will come appear like this, but also you can use it from there. I like to favorite it like this so that I can just use it again and again without going to that menu. So the second thing is, in order to draw support and resistance line, you have to be on the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame you see the clear spiking movements in the market, or you see where the price bounced and reacted. Okay, so basically support and resistance lines are drawn in places where the price was not able to break past or break down. Okay, so as you can see, for example, over here the price came shooting up and at this point it came down again. At this point it was not able to break. Imagine we are on the 24-hour charts. This means we are seeing the daily candles. So like for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, 6 days actually, the price was not able to break this point. So I can clearly say this is a very good support line because it's supporting the price from falling down past that point. Okay, and on this one we can see like for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for almost 6 days the price was not able to break past this point. So I can say this is a very clear resistance line because the price is getting some resistance to break past and shoot up. Okay, and at this point it was just going, and after that this resistance point was broken and the price moved upward. So now, since you understand support and resistance line and what they represent, let's start drawing those lines. Okay, so I want to be on the higher time frame, on the 24 or 4-hour chart. Don't go in the smaller time frame, because if I go in the smaller time frame, everything is noisy. Like you see a lot of up and down movements and you cannot even draw a clear support and resistance line because it's so busy. So I want to see a lot of data for several days or maybe several hours. And if I also go to the 4-hour time frame, it's better than trying to draw on the smaller time frame. So let me just start by marking my support and resistance line on the higher time frame on the daily chart. So the trick that I use is I go to this point and I change it to line, because when you change it to line, now you see the spike movements. You see where the price reacted. The first valid support line for me is this point. This point, as you can see, the price have a lot of reaction at this point. So after you place this line, you can change the width like this. You can make it a bit thicker. I like it to keep it in the middle at 2. If you want to change the color, you can change it over here. Maybe let's try red so that it's very visible. Then you lock it so that you won't move it. Okay, the second point that I see is, and also guys, if you zoom out, you can see I'm trying to make everything fit and show you. So as you can see, the price has been reacting for several days in this place, even in the past. You know, when you are drawing your support and resistance line, don't go back in time, just like see the what the price have been doing in recent times, not what the price has been doing like over the past year or something. Like we don't need such amount of data. The other point is, it's this point. As you can see, the price has been reacting at this point. So what you need is, you don't have to be exact, but mark it as much as possible close to that point. After you do that, click it and you lock it. The reason why we lock it is so that we won't mess it up. The other point is, this is the recent top that was formed at this point. I lock it. After that, you can come here and change it to candles. So now let me just reset it. So now you see what the price has been. We have drawn our support and resistance lines. As you can see, there is a resistance, there is support. Again, here we have been like here for several days, 1, 2, 3, the price was not able to break. So this is a very valid resistance line. After that, the price is now moving downward. So this is how you draw support and resistance line. So how can you use this thing for your advantage? Okay, so for example, let's say I'm on the 1 minute time frame. For example, let's say the price is approaching the resistance line. Now we are very far from the resistance line because we were on the daily chart, and now we are on, you see like how far we are from the resistance line. That for example, let's say I was like on the 1 minute time frame and the price was approaching this resistance level. So my thinking is there is a high possibility that the price will react when it comes to this resistance line, because in the past it has been doing that. So there is no guarantee, but there is a high likelihood that this price will react either to the upside or to the downside when we are approaching a support and resistance line. So if I was, for example, trading here on a fall trade, I'm anticipating a reaction. I'll set my bots, I'll get ready and see what the price is going to do in the next 5 to 10 minutes and start taking my trade. Since we are on the 1 minute time frame, we don't even have to wait for that long to see the reaction of the price, because on the 1 minute chart everything moves very fast because we are drawing a 1 minute candle every time. Basically that's what support and resistance line. Just to recap it, go to the 24-hour or the daily chart. After that, change this one from candle to line so that you can see the spiky areas where the price has been reacting severally. Okay, here the price have touched this point 2 times. In the past, like it has been touching 4 or 5 times, and here there is also a big reaction, as you can see. After that, you change it back to the normal candle and you go to your 1 minute time frame and see your chart and maybe take your trades with the indicators and with the support of the resistance and support lines. I hope you guys have understood something from this video. If you understand something, please like this video and share this video. Please don't keep this video for yourself. If you know anybody who loves trading and who is struggling to understand this thing, share this video. It's free, it does not cost you anything. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.